Hello, my name is Sia, and today I'm gonna walk you through Backstage in Chatbase. Now, managing an agent in Chatbase, it's already easy and the interface is very intuitive. But there are times when you want more, and maybe you need a full report on your data and you don't feel like pulling it out and reorganizing it, or you have a question that's not even in your database, or you need help building an action. So that's exactly what Backstage is for. It's an AI-powered operation system for your agent. And it works in two major directions. It can act as your analyst and it can also perform actions for you. Let's take a look and try both. In the agent menu, navigate to Backstage. First, let's type, analyze my last 100 conversations. And what are the topics people ask about? It builds a report right here. We can see all the metrics, top topics, sentiment, key takeaways, and it's very convenient to use it. You can come back to it anytime and share it with your team. You see, you can also just ask it from here. It catches contradictions and tells you which source to fix. So that's a Backstage as your analyst. Now, let's have a look at the actions it can take. Say, I run an online store and I want to capture interested visitors as leads. Normally, I would just build an action myself, but instead I can just describe it. It drafts the whole thing here, and the important part is it shows me exactly what it's planning so that I can make any changes before anything goes live. And then I confirm. Okay, approved. Now it's in my actions, ready to be enabled. And same flow goes for anything else. I can upload a PDF or a URL and say, add this to my knowledge base, or optimize my instructions to make it into a sales agent, or you can edit your existing actions. It works the same way. You describe it, it drafts it, and then you approve it. One more thing about the Backstage, it always asks before making any changes. So it acts more as a co-pilot rather than an autopilot. And that was it for the Backstage. It helps you manage your agent right from here by just describing what you want. Let us know if you want to try it out for yourself, and we'll be more than happy to send you a demo.